after one of the wildest weeks ever on Wall Street, where the big board saw its worst weekly performance in more than 2 years. U.S. stocks are now looking to bounce back to start the trading week as investors turn to data and earnings for direction. But first, last week was one for the history books as the Dow Jones fell more than 1,500 points on Monday, traded in a 1,100-point range on Tuesday, saw a slight slide Wednesday, plunged another 1,100 points Thursday, and ended the week with a strong gain. But the new week has begun here at the New York Stock Exchange, and in terms of data, the docket is light for Monday with attention on the U.S. monthly budget statement for January. Expectations call for a read of $51 billion. Meanwhile, Tuesday, we'll see a pickup in action overseas with Chinese foreign direct investment for January scheduled, but most attention is on the UK with the retail price index for January due, and expectations call for a rise of 4.1% year over year. There will also be a release of British consumer prices with the CPI index expected to decline 0.6% in January. Wednesday kicks off with Eurozone Q4 preliminary GDP. Expectations call for a 0.6% rise quarter over quarter and 2.7% rise year over year. While in the U.S., not only will we see retail sales for January expected to rise 0.5%, but we will also see January consumer prices, which are expected to rise 2.1% year over year. Thursday sees us go down under with the January unemployment rate scheduled. Expectations call for the rate to drop 5.3% from 5.5%. While here in the U.S., we have weekly jobless claims and the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Survey for February, which is expected to slip 22 from 22.2% in January. And we end the week with January British retail sales, which are expected to rise 1.5% month over month and 0.9% year over year. And here in the U.S., it's all industrial production high is expected to rise 0.4% in January. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, the euro is seeing some strength to kick off the week with the euro-dollar pair up 0.2% at 122.76, while in commodities, oil is seeing another rebound up more than 1.03% at 59.81 a barrel, and gold is seeing more strength as well, with the precious metal up 0.87% at 1,327.10 a troy ounce. And until next time from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Olivia Voznenko reporting for ICM Capital.